What exactly is the decision taken? What will be the changes from now on, and what should the students really be warned about?
Well, categorically, what this particular body has suggested and sent a proposal to the HRD ministry is considering the fact that there were suggestions and feedback coming in from various schools that the grading system that was earlier done by the previous government is something which the schools are not comfortable with. In fact, last year also, when there was an option thrown open to the students that some students could sit for the board exam, some students could go for the grading system, almost 60 students had come out and they did sit for the 10th board exam. So that kind of gave a push for the government to really think about the situation that probably getting back board exams, especially the CBSE board exams for the 10th standard, would be the right idea. The CBSE had also been urging the government to look into the fact that at least in the 10th classes, the board exams should be brought back again and the grading system should be the government should remove the grading system. So now what the latest proposal is that after sitting for the board exams, 80% weightage will be given to the examinations and 20% weightage will be given to the grading system that personally intra-school the teachers give to the specific students. In fact, this proposal has already reached the Education Ministry. We can see the Education Minister, Prakash Javadekar, giving a go-ahead to this particular proposal within a day or two, after which it will become mandatory from March 2018 for all students studying in the 10th class to come out and give board examinations. This proposal is yet to be signed and approved by the HRD Ministry, but we can expect within the next 24 to 48 hours that really happening.
Right. So the final stamp and seal is still awaited, Aditi, but let's also just clarify for our viewers here that prior to this, the students had an option. They could either take the Class 10 exam conducted by their respective schools, or they could opt for the exam that was conducted by CBSE. But now they will not have that option any longer. All students of Class 10 will have to take the exam conducted by the boards. Isn't that correct?
About 5 years ago, when this particular proposal was brought in by the previous government, the mention really was that the students will have an option of the 10th standard students specifically will have an option. They can either sit for board examinations or they would have to get evaluated under the CCE scheme, which particularly means that every school will have their internal grading procedure, whether it is through examinations, whether it is through class tests, or whether it is through Viva exams that could be taken place. And these students were graded accordingly. But what really came out on the forum was that most of the schools were giving good grades to their students to ensure that the schools will have a good reputation as far as the national standing of schools is concerned. So to get rid of that, so there was a major feedback and proposal sent to the HRD Ministry saying that the only solution at this point in time is to get back board examinations, because most of the students and the parents also felt that the ideal way of assessing a student would be the board examinations, because that's a centrally conducted examination. It is not a school conducted examination, and the results come directly from the CBSE. So March 2018 is when we can expect CBSE board examinations for class 10 students coming back post the proposal gets accepted by the HRD Ministry.
Right. And over and above this, Aditi, there's another issue that has also been added, that the students will have to now continue with the third language up to 10 standards. So far, I believe the rule was that you have to do a third language only up to 8th standard as a compulsory measure. That also has now been extended up to 10th.
Well, yes, and remember the controversy that the former HRD Minister, Smriti Irani, faced regarding the German language being taken out from the books in the education system. So keeping all of that in mind, now the Education Ministry is also mulling on the option of 3 language, which includes Hindi and English as compulsory languages, and the third being a foreign language, which many schools are saying should be Sanskrit, which is another Indian language. So 3 language is something that the government, the HRD Ministry particularly, is also mulling upon. Earlier, this option was given to students between the 8th and 9th standard, but now they are planning to extend it even to the students of 10th standards who will be sitting for the board examinations.
Right. And also the important clarification is it has to be a modern Indian language. A foreign language will not qualify as the third